Emotions, the fundamental part of our human existence. When we are able to fully express our emotions, completely letting go of anything holding us back, we create more space for harmony, peace, and vitality. We become our truth. In today's emotional release breathwork session, we surrender to the power of our breath and use it as a tool to release trapped emotions and stagnant energy, letting go and allowing positive energy to flow. Breathe strongly and deeply at a comfortable rhythm, in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. Apply full 3-step yogic breaths, inhaling into the belly and moving the air up to the ribs and chest like a wave. When you exhale, let it go at a comfortable pace. We will breathe like this for 3 rounds. At the end of each round, we will take our last inhalation, exhale halfway out, and hold the breath in Kevala Kumbhaka for about a minute or as long as you can. Once you release the hold, take a full breath in and hold for 10 to 15 seconds in Antara Kumbhaka before slowly exhaling back to stillness. Trapped emotions may release in different forms: crying, laughing. Let it happen. It's all part of it. Be receptive to what your body is telling you and don't force anything. Allow your breath to guide you. So if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Sit comfortably on the floor or chair with the spine straight. Place your hands on the knees in a mudra and close your eyes. Let's begin our session by coming into the present moment. Breathing deeply into the heart and lungs, welcoming positive energy and allowing the breath to guide you to this peaceful presence. Take a deep breath into the belly, move the air up to the ribs and chest. Slowly exhale as you ground yourself in a healing space. Relax the face muscles, drop your shoulders. Notice how your body is feeling. Now for the first round of strong, full yogic breaths. Exhale completely. Breathe in, breathe out. In and out. In, out. In, out. Go with the flow of the breath. In, out. In, out. Into the belly, up to the chest, and let go like a wave. In, out, in, out. Good. A last breath fully in. Exhale halfway and hold the breath. What subtle sensations can you feel? Notice the energy flowing. Your body is open. You are halfway there. Keep holding the breath. Feel the strength of your body in this stillness. Beautiful. Release the hold. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Exhale, let it go. Relax your breathing and observe. Now for the second round, if you're still feeling okay, about 20 breaths. Exhale it all out. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. Good. Keep breathing like this at a comfortable rhythm, breathing like a wave. Full breaths in and release it all out. Keep going. Take your last 3 breaths. Last inhalation, exhale halfway, hold the breath. Just observe. You're halfway there. Keep holding the breath. Feel the energy flowing, your heart beating. Release in 3, 2, 1. Full inhalation, hold. And release. Relax your breathing. Now for the third and final round, about 30 breaths. Remember to not force anything, and if you want to stop early, it's okay. Just listen to your body. Exhale, breathe in, breathe out, in and out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Good. Creating space, welcoming new energy. Good. Keep going. We're almost done. Last 3 breaths, make it count. Last inhalation, exhale halfway. Hold the breath for as long as you can, letting your breathing system relax as you hold and observe the vitality running through your body. Whenever you want to breathe again, release the hold and take a full deep inhalation, holding it for about 15 seconds before relaxing the breath. If you haven't already, relax your breath. Let everything return to balance as you settle back in to stillness. Begin to let go of your entire physical body, relaxing your face muscles. Include a mini smile, relaxing your shoulders, arms, and chest. Now bring your awareness to the beating of your heart. With every beat, with every exhalation, completely surrender. If any emotions, feelings, or thoughts come up, don't judge it. You don't have to understand it. Just acknowledge and observe. Take a cleansing breath in and a slow releasing breath out. Let your breath bring you closer to your place of safety and serenity. Let your breath melt away all that no longer serves you. The stress, worry, negativity, you are ready to let it go. Breathe in, breathe out. Wherever your awareness is, bring it to the flow of your breath. Rise and fall. Whatever life brings, let the rise and fall take your worries away. Worries about the future and pain from the past. Let it go. The only moment is here and now in your state of inner peace. Take a deep breath in and out. You can continue sitting for however long you'd like, or if you'd like to end this practice with me, slowly move your fingers. Rub the hands together. Place your thumbs to your third eye and bow down, thanking yourself for your beautiful practice today. Gently massage your face and the rest of your body with peace, forgiveness, and love. I wish you all the love and light. Namaste. Thanks so much for breathing with me. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly breathwork videos. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.